Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a refund from Porter Airlines. So here's a detailed guide on how to request a refund from Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and go to www.flightporter.com. Ensure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. So you need to scroll down to the bottom of the home page and look for help and contact. Why are we heading over here? Just go ahead and click on that to find the section related to refunds or cancellation. Why? Because you need to read through the Porter Airlines refund policy to understand the eligibility requirements, timelines, and any associated fees. So make sure your booking qualifies for a refund based on the type of the ticket purchased, either refundable or non-refundable. So before you proceed to request for the refund, you have to collect the following information to streamline the refund request process. That you need to get your booking reference number, which can be found in your confirmation email, and your last name used during booking, and your flight details, including the date and the flight number, and of course the reason for refund requests, which could be cancellation of flights or flight disruption. Now, once you are done collecting all the information, head over to the top menu. From this top menu, click on Manage Flight tab, and that's going to take you here. Now, in here, click on My Bookings, and that is going to take you to the My Bookings page where you see all your past and upcoming bookings. From here, you're going to see a communication box. That's if you have previous bookings. You see a communication box that allows you to enter your booking reference and your last name. Now, enter your booking reference and your last name to access your reservation. Once your booking is displayed, look for the option to request a refund or cancel and request refund. If prompted, fill out the refund request form with necessary details. Provide any additional information required, such as reason for cancellation, any supporting documentation if applicable. After filling out the form, review all information for accuracy and click the Submit button to send your refund request to Porter Airlines. Then you should receive a confirmation message on the screen indicating that your refund request has been submitted. Check your email for a confirmation of your refund request, including your request reference number. Refund processing times may vary, typically taking several business days to a few days depending on the reason for the refund. Now, you can track the status of your refund request by logging back into your Porter Airlines account or checking your email for updates. If you have not received a response within the expected time frame or have any questions regarding your refund request, go ahead and contact the Porter Airlines customer service. Okay? So keep a record of your communications and confirmation emails related to your refund request, and if necessary, just follow up with the customer service for updates or clarification on your refund status. By following these detailed steps, you can successfully request a refund from Porter Airlines and navigate the process effectively. So go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.